How to add a website to your iPhone home screen. Here's how to create a website shortcut in just a few steps. Start by opening the Safari app on your iPhone and visit the website or the exact web page that you want to save. Once the page has fully loaded, tap the Share button. On some iPhones, you may first need to tap the More button, shown as 3 dots, before selecting Share. If you're using an older version of iOS, the Share button may already be visible at the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll down the share sheet and tap Add to Home Screen. You can edit the shortcut name if you'd like. On newer versions of iOS, you may also see an Open as Web App option. Turn it on if you want the website to behave more like an app, or leave it off if you prefer it to open in Safari. Finally, tap Add in the top right corner. Now, return to your home screen and you'll see the new website shortcut. Simply tap it any time to open the website instantly without searching for it again. If you don't see the same menu options on your iPhone, don't worry. The layout can vary slightly depending on your iOS version, but the steps are very similar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and Safari tutorials.